Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at a store called Hearth and Garden, an online shop claiming big discounts on outdoor furniture and decor. But is it actually safe to buy from, or is it just another online scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on online research and personal opinion. The official website, hearthgardenstore.com, is currently password protected, which is already suspicious. For a business claiming to be closing down and offering last chance sales, you'd expect a fully open store, not a locked one. Over on Trustpilot, the store has a 2.6-star rating, and most reviews are calling it a scam. One reviewer says they contacted Facebook to report the company, but the page is still up. Another warns that the contact email listed on the website doesn't even exist. Things get messier with reports from a completely different company in the UK called Garden Hearth. They say they've been receiving calls from confused Hearth and Garden customers, likely because of a Google AI mix up. This only adds to the chaos and shows how unclear and misleading this site really is. In my opinion, Hearth and Garden is a scam site. From a locked website, fake contact details, and low trust ratings to impersonation confusion. There are just too many red flags. Avoid it no matter how good the deal looks. Thank you for watching. If you've been affected by this store, drop your experience in the comments to help others stay safe. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.